right, you guys, look what I found. I'm in the women's department where all the hats are at, and most of them are clearance out. All right, look at this, you guys. And I'm gonna get a few of these because when I run out the house, sometimes my hair is looking horrible, and this can save the day. Look at this. This was about $5, and it's now saying $1, $1. Look at this. This is the, what is the name? Can you give me the name of this?
Time and True.
I don't know if it's Time and True, is it? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, it's, yeah, because they got one here. So again, you guys, this is Time and True, and this is like a kind of like a light red hat. Let me try to get one down. Let's see. All right, so you guys can see what it looks like. Again, this is something you could just throw on and leave. Look at this. Again, it's only $1, you guys, $1. All right, you guys, so they have the red one, which I'm absolutely getting. It looks like it's an adjustable one. And again, they are only $1. Again, this is Time and True. So they got this color. Let's see. Trying to get it down for you guys. Sorry, you guys. I got my nails done and it's hard to do. All right, so here's a light purple. And again, these are all gonna be Time and True. I'm about to show you. Super cute. This is only $1. And then you have this white one right here, which is kind of like a cream, like an off-white. Super cute. Here's the back. And again, it's adjustable, which is perfect. All right, so far I showed you 3. These are only $1, you guys. $1. $1. All right, so I'm gonna show you a few more. Oh, this one's $1 too. This one is, I'm going crazy, you guys. You guys know I'm super, super cheap. So let me show you this one. This one is the tan one. And there's the back of this one. Again, you guys are gonna be looking for the Time and True. All right, you guys, so far I got 4 hats, and I might just grab a few extra since they're only $1. Again, regular price about $5, $6. But I'm gonna grab these for sure and just probably grab a couple extra ones. Again, these are only $1. $1, only on Angel on the Go. And we're gonna go ahead and see what else we can find. All right, you guys, here's a few more hats. Look how cute this is. This is like a cream and black striped hat. I love this one. And I love throwing on a hat, especially if I'm in a rush. Here's the UPC. And these are all one size fit all. $2. So these down here again are $1. These are $2, which is not bad, you guys. I believe the regular price is about $8. You have this silver one down here. And let me show you. Again, here's the brand, Time and True. There's the UPC. And again, you guys, these are only $2. $2. Let's see what else. Here's a black and white checkers. Is that like checker? I think, you guys, it's early. All right, so that is super cute, you guys. Look at this. There's the adjustable strap right here, which is brown. Time and True. And this one, you guys can see the regular price, almost $8. You guys can see the UPC. And this one right here, you guys. You guys, this one right here, $2. $2. Only on Angel on the Go. They have this one right here. And I'm definitely going to get this one. This one's super cute. This one says Free Wild. I don't know if that's Free and Wild or Free Wild. It has the camo, which is super cute. Look at this. It has the mesh. And my favorite, the leopard in the inside. I'm definitely getting this one. Let me show you guys the UPC. And you guys have to make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you guys don't miss any of these deals. Only $2. So I'm definitely getting these down here. I'm getting a few of the $2 ones. I'm definitely getting this one for $2. All right, look at this. This is, oh, okay, so this is a nursing bra. I never had one of these, but these are wire-free, padded, seamless nursing bras. All right, and I'm gonna show you the UPC. There you guys go. Make sure you guys scan or take a screenshot. You guys can see the regular price is $9.88, so about 10 bucks. And look at this, boom, $3, $3. Only on Angel on the Go. So if you're pregnant, you know somebody that's pregnant, or you want to start reselling, these are nice and light and will be easy to ship. So I'm gonna go grab Manny and see if he wants to pick up a few of these. But again, the beige one is $3. And if you look over here, here's another one in black. You guys, I thought I lost earlier, but I think I had Manny beat. All right, so he's in the men's department somewhere over there. So here's the black one. And let me show you the UPC. There you guys go. And this one also is $3, $3. All right, let's see what else they got. I am so out of breath, but I love bringing you guys clearance. This is Secret Treasures, breathable, comfort. Looks like a tank top. It comes with one Cami. All right, I wish they had my size. This is super soft. Lightweight cooling. Here's the UPC. And this is only $3. $3 on Angel on the Go. You come over here. Whew, I'm so out of breath. All right, over here. This is a 2-pack nursing bras. So this is a 2-pack wire-free padded hook and eye. There you guys go. Secret Treasures. This is what you guys are going to be looking for. They have this one and this one. All right, so this one, here's the UPC. And again, I'm in the women's department. It was $14.94 down to $7. So about 50% off. And then here's another one. So I just showed you this one is the 2-pack wire-free for $7. And you get the light pink and the black. And then here's another one. This one's nice. So this is a 2-pack bralette, sleep bra. All right, that's what it looks like. Here's the UPC. And watch this. I'm about to turn this around. You're not going to believe it. $5. $5, you guys. I cannot believe it. All right, so here's another one. A Postpartum Tank. All right, so if you guys are looking for something like this, this is time and true. And you guys have to remember, if you guys want to start reselling, these are nice and light. So all you have to do is throw this in a poly bag, put the printing label on, and ship it out. These are light, not heavy. All right, so let me show you the UPC. And it looks like with this one, they have the white. There's the UPC. And these are only $7. $7. So they have that one. And if I come down here, let me bend down. All right, here's another one. So this one looks like it's different. This is a postpartum one. This one right here is a maternity tank. And it looks like it comes with one, super soft. All right, and it says here, this one fits the first to the third trimester. All right, here's the UPC. Look at that, boom, $7. $7. All right, here's another set. So this is kind of like the one I showed you up here, but it's the beige and the cream. And this one is also a 2-pack bralette, sleep bra. And this is the nursing one again. Here's the UPC for those two colors. $5, you guys. $5. We have these postpartum leggings. I've never heard of this before. Look at all the stuff that they have now. I don't need any other stuff, but we might resell this. Let me turn it around. This is the black. And this one is $9. And then this one is a time and true maternity long sleeve dress. That is cute. Look at that. So it looks like a leopard dress with a scoop neck. Oh, it's really soft. Look at that print. And again, this is the time and true maternity long sleeve dress. I'm going to show you guys the UPC. And you guys see I'm kneeling on the ground. There you guys go. And look at this. $9. $9. Here is a Secret Treasures Nursing Cami. All right, you guys can see. And this one is the gray. $5. Here's another one in black. Same thing. Secret Treasures Nursing Cami. So here's the UPC for the black. $5. $5. Oh, I'm not done, but I am so out of breath. Whew. All right, this is, man, I've never had one of these. This one's nice. This is a maternity belt. Secret Treasures with adjustable support. I have never seen any of this, you guys. If you're pregnant these days, you guys have it lucky, because I didn't have none of this when I was pregnant. There's a UPC. And again, this is for the black maternity belt. $7. It was about $14. If you look up here, this is Secret Treasures maternity band. All right, there's the UPC. This is the beige one. And it's only $2. $2. All right, you look up here. Here's the black one. Again, it's the Secret Treasures maternity band. There's the UPC. $2. $2. Comment below if I won or Manny won. All right, so here is, what is this? This is a Secret Treasures maternity panty under the belly comfort. That's nice. All right, so if you're looking for this that goes underneath the belly, oh, it comes with 2 pairs. You guys can see the beige and the black. There's the UPC. And these are only $3. That's a great price. Oh, this is something I really needed. I didn't have any of these, but these are the Secret Treasures nursing pads. And they're also reusable. Again, these are the Secret Treasures nursing pads. All right, they have quite a few. There's the UPC. Hopefully you guys can see it. These are only $2. $2. And let me go over here. We got a few more items. And there's nobody over here. Let me show you. Look at that. No one's over here. Look at that. So I'm over here by myself. All right, what is this? Oh, wow. I didn't even know they had something like this. This is a Secret Treasures breast pump bra. I have never seen this before. Hands-free. That is nice. Look at that. All right, this one's a small. There's the UPC. And it has a zip front for easy wear. It's soft, comfortable. And again, this is a breast pump bra. You guys could see the price. $3. $3. I think that is, oh, hold on. I got one more. All right, here's some more. Oh wait, I think I already showed you. That's the nursing pad, so it's the same thing. All right, so I think I showed you guys everything. I am again in the women's department. So if you're pregnant, know somebody that's pregnant, or if you guys want to start reselling, because these things are nice and light, this will be the perfect opportunity for you guys just to get a little bit of items like this. You guys can get a couple items like this and test them out online, see how they go. And let us know if you guys are able to grab these, if you guys want to resell these. But you cannot beat these prices, you guys. Good luck, and let us know if you guys scored.